Hello, love. It is a long day of driving for Blue and I. It's 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock somewhere, and that somewhere's here. And I haven't eaten yet. It's typical Maria. So we just pulled over on the side of the road, and I'm gonna make dinner here because you gotta do what you gotta do. So honestly, I don't even know what I have for dinner. I think I still have some like chicken thing, some like sliced cheese, green pepper, mustard, and a wrap. Maybe I'll just make a fancy chicken wrap burrito melt thing. I don't know, let's find out together. Making dinner on the side of the road. Sometimes this is what life is like when you are car camping, living out of your vehicle. This pour coat used to be like a very nice light tan, and it is so nasty. Come on, Bubby, let's go make some weird chicken wrap thing in the back room. Bubby. Bub, come. Good boy. I realize the audio might not be great because we're on the side of the road. I also realize this video what? I also realize this video might not be very long, but you know what? It's what we're working with today, and we're trying to focus on consistency. So, I know I'm gonna need my scissors and my dirty spatula and wraps. Cool. Let's get to cooking. This chicken looks pretty good. How you guys doing? How's your day? Are you cooking your dinner on the side of a road, or no? Okay, just me. Got it. Oh my gosh, there's a blue hair. Of course. GoPro mount keeps falling. So we're just gonna go handheld because you gotta do what you gotta do, so. This is what we're working with at the moment. There's the highway. Just side of the road things. Cool. Done with the green pep. Oh, I was gonna put cheese. Hold on. Should I try to throw cheese on here? It might be a mess. Yeah. Oh well, who cares? Green pepper, chicken, sliced cheese, and a tortilla. This cheese is really cold. Melt. Melt, babe, melt. You can do it. Oh my gosh, people are showing up. Awkward. Good boy. I'm so awkward with people I don't know. Man, why are you cooking out of the back of your car? Oh, great question, stranger. How do I explain this to you? Oh no! We've gone rogue. This cheese is not melting well. Another blue hair. Crazy. You know, this looks a little gross, but I bet you it's gonna be good. Gotta deal with what you have. I don't know if I should be putting salsa on this or mustard. I kind of feel like I should be putting salsa. Now I just need to remember to wash that spatula before I use it again. Alright, let me put everything away. Let that cool off. You know what, I'm gonna just go with mustard instead of salsa. This might be weird, but we're just gonna send it. Yeah, everything needs to cool off, so let's go eat this while everything cools down. Yeah, the mustard might have been weird, but whatever. Cheers to dinner, Blue. That is actually so good. Wow. It's like every time I go to cook, I expect it to be like half nasty, and then it's always like so good. Like better than I make at home. Rue, you're my real home. You're my real home, actually, Blue. Because home's where the heart is. Okay. Alright, strawberry bubbly can get it. Yeah, I severely overestimated all this chicken. Whoops. Oh, but I got mustard in my hair. I love that when I stop filming, all the traffic stops. Or like when I am done cooking, all the traffic stops, all the noise. This chicken is like really good. Pre-seasoned, Cajun, easy. Not bad for a side of the road dinner. Right, Bob? Yeah. Alright, you guys. I have no clue how long this video was, but thanks for watching us make a chicken wrap in the back of the car on the side of the road. It was fun. It was fun. We'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye!